In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix error uncertified G-SYNC display detected or G-SYNC test mode that is happening or getting error for many users and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So one of the first thing what we need to do is we have to roll back the driver. So to do so, we have to go over here in the search, type here for device manager, and you have to click on the device manager. Now from here, what you need to do is we just need to expand this over here at the top. Now go to the display adapter. Now from here you have to find NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super. We have to right click, and from here we have to go to the properties. Now go to the driver, and you'll be having an option here called rollback driver. For me this is actually grayed out, so you'll be having an option to rollback driver. Once the rollback driver is completed, it is a very must to do a restart. After the restart is done, what you need to do is we have to update the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description. So go to this link. Now from here, you have to select the GeForce. Everything should be selected. And you have to go for find. Once you get into the find, from here what you need to do is we have to just scroll down. You should not be updating to the latest graphics card. We can go over here, click on view more versions. Now from here you can try any updated older version of graphics card. For example, 595.71. Try updating to this particular graphics card. After this graphics card is updated, then you can just go back and you can check. Still, if you're having the trouble, try connecting the HDMI or display cable to the dedicated graphics card. So if you're having dual monitors, if you wanted to connect it to the via HDMI cable, then try connecting to the dedicated graphics card. Not this one, you have to try connecting to the HDMI or display cable to the dedicated graphics card. Make sure we have to update the graphics card. After rolling back the driver, still if you're having the trouble, then we need to update the graphics card. For updating, you might be already in the older version of a graphics card. Now go to this page. Now from here, select this and go for find based on your PC requirement and configuration. Once you get into this, we have to scroll it down here. Now find the latest version of graphics card. So this is on March 10th, 2026. That is 595.79. So try downloading this particular version of a graphics card. And when you download to this particular version of a graphics card, you have to check with it and that might work. Next one is all about what we need to do is we have to update the graphics card and make sure that you have to disable the integrated graphics card. For that, we have to go over here, search here for device manager. Click on the device manager here. Now from here, we have to go to display adapters. So here I'm not having multiple graphics card. I'm having only one. So some users might be having two graphics card. One is a dedicated one, another one is you'll be having two graphics cards. So if you're having two graphics card, from that you have to disable the dedicated graphics card. So what you need to do is, you have to disable the integrated graphics card. So select the integrated graphics card and go for disable device. Then you have to check with it. Next one, we need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, we have to go over here, search here for graphics settings. Now click on the graphics settings. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to just click on Ant Desktop app. Now from here, we have to go to find. We have to go to find the game in which we wanted to install it. So I'll demonstrate you with an example. For example, I'll go to E. Go to Steam library, Steam apps, common. You can try either game or app. Both are fine. Get into this particular one. So this is the .exe. So I have to add it. Once you add the game, if you scroll it down and navigate to, you can see this is the game. Drop it down this particular menu. It says GPU preferences. So change this to high performance. Once you set this to high performance, you have to close this and go back and you have to check. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix it. That's it. Bye.